Another one it would be this idea that we have of
flash flood warning for the following county: San Bernardino, California. The National Weather Service in Las Vegas has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Mojave County in northwestern Arizona, San Bernardino County in southern California, until 6:45 p.m. PDT, or 6:45 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 3:34 p.m. PDT, or 3:34 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: radar. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of low water crossings, creeks, normally dry washes and roads. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Parker Dam, Vidal Junction, Big River, Earth, Black Meadow Landing Campground, Three Dunes Campground, and Cattail Cove State Park. This includes the following highways: State Route 95 in Mojave County between mile markers 162 and 173. Highway 95 in San Bernardino County between mile markers 1 and 28. State Route 62 in San Bernardino County between mile markers 91 and 138, and near mile marker 139, in between mile markers 140 and 142.
Hope you enjoyed this episode.